Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna start our project. We're gonna be painting the back of the 20 long to black. So I get the kids to help and some materials that I got. Get some sponge brushes, a roller I got from the dollar store, and this is a black acrylic paint. So we're going to be doing paint to the back of the 20 long, and I also got a 10 gallon that we're going to paint the back of it. First layer, we're going to let it dry. You see there's some white spots, but the kids and I try to do our best. But with the second layer, we'll probably all be black. Finished painting it. Looks pretty good. And the next step, we're going to put the corner filter together. So the next step I'm going to do, I'm going to install a corner filter. So this is the foam. It's going to be bent into the corner of the aquarium like this. So the kit comes in with two glass pieces that we're gonna have to silicone here 5 inches from the edge, so I use a ruler and a marker. This is the lift tube. I got a pump here.
Daddy, why you have two glass?
I have a pump here, so we might try that.
Daddy, why you put that? Why do you need that?
Yeah, so when we need this, we're gonna put here so the filter will stay there. So when Daddy's done, Daddy will show you. Okay?
Like this, you need two?
2 of them. Yep. Daddy will show you when it's done. So I'm gonna add some silicone to the edge of this glass, and I marked where the 5 inches is. Gonna put it on, get some tape and hold it up, then wait 24 hours for it to dry and do the other side, and I'll show you how the filter looks like when it's done. Pieces are in, so I taped them up to keep them as straight as possible. Then in 24 hours it should dry. We'll take the tape off. We'll put the filter in. We just squeeze it in between there. So then we hide our lift tube. Will be hidden here, and I got a heater that's gonna go back there. And I like the black background. that came out nice.